Hello, good day everyone. How are you all today? Welcome to another week. Today is 5th of October and we are just about to start our this week to share with you all some of the weekly updates and also how you can actually position yourself in the financial markets. I would like to share with you some of the major events that will be actually taking toll and also some of the 5 events that will be actually having a major impact on the market. First of all, as you see that we are looking at the US President Donald Trump remains hospitalized after being diagnosed with COVID-19, and his health will be a major factor for the markets. So investors will be also closely following the progress of fiscal stimulus talks in Washington amid hopes for an agreement on another aid package. A fresh round of stimulus would bolster markets which have been rolled by uncertainty ahead of the upcoming presidential election and fears that the economic recovery is running out of steam. So there is also a speech by Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell on Tuesday, which is expected to talk about the need of adding more fiscal stimulus on the Fed, and which will publish its latest meeting minutes a day later. So here is what you can actually plan your week with. First of all, diagnosis fuels election uncertainty because of Trump. Then we will be looking into events like spotlight on stimulus talks, which will be intensifying within this week. Then we will be also looking into market volatility, which is actually going to be remain elevated. Many investors are concerned that any deterioration in the president's health could actually could actually impact on the US market, so which recently recorded the worst month last month that we saw. But I see that basing on the price section, we are not going to see that, because let me give you some view on Dow Jones Industrial Average in a short while. All right, so we will be the Powell speech, which is like I mentioned, is to actually make a speech on National Association of Business Economists on Tuesday, whereby he's expected to talk about the need for additional fiscal stimulus to underpin the slowing economic recovery. Right. So besides Powell, several other Fed speakers are due to deliver remarks during this week as well. So including Chicago Fed President Charles Evans, Atlanta Fed President Raphael Bostic, New York Fed President John William, and also Minneapolis Fed President Neil Kashkari, and Boston Fed President Eric Rosengren will be giving some speech to give you some highlights on what are the measures that they can actually do in order to change into policy or do something which is to support the economy. So Fed is also due to publish the minutes to the September FOMC meeting on Wednesday, which are expected to underline the message that there is a little prospect of an interest rate hike in the next couple of years. So Eurozone, we spoke about Euro also recently, but looking ahead on the Eurozone, you see we have finance ministers are also to meet in Brussels on Monday, which is today, to discuss implementation of 750 billion euro coronavirus recovery fund, widely hailed as game-changing when it was announced earlier this year. So disagreements over how the funds are to be distributed are threatening to sour the mood. So there are many things actually going on, and you see that sometimes when we talk about fundamental analysis, you might get confused, right? So hey, we're going to make things easy for you. Looking ahead for Dow Jones Industrial Average, I see that it has broken this pattern, and I see that the way now is to the upside. So we don't see any correction, anything that is going to, even if it falls, it will be keep pushing up, because you see we have done our analysis last week also when it was somewhere around here, right? And then we forecasted that Dow is expected to go up in this week. So I see this week again, Dow will close the week to the upside. It might do this kind of funny stuff, but overall we'll be closing the week to the upside. So I am more towards buy on this, right? And for Euro, let me just give you a clear look on what we can just go here. Let's just check it out on Euro USD to see that how is it positioning itself, and then you can plan your week ahead. I see that Euro USD will be going down this week, because overall when you check the monthly candle, it has, so I see that my forecast remains the same. compared to the last week, because I see that, yeah, it would be selling zone, right, somewhere around there. So I see that the euro will be making its way back this week, because if you see from here, right, so yeah, so just hold on to this. Just see that at the end of the week we will see euro to actually fall back. Yeah, it will be happening, right? So we're gonna sell euro this week, euro USD, and I believe that this pattern should be meeting in line from here. Then we will see what next coming. So all in all, that's the forecast for euro USD. All right. Well, anyways, guys, we have got tons of information, tons of analysis coming up this week. Very excited to share with you all London session forecast. We will be also posting trading signals, right? We'll be also posting market focus videos, right? So this week will be loaded with a lot of information, tips, guidance, education for you guys, right? So stay tuned, take care, and have a great trading week. And should you need any support, do not hesitate to look for us. We are more than happy to assist you anytime, any day. Thank you very much, and have a great day.